Hi everyone, welcome back, and it's already the end of the month, beginning of the new month, and I wanted to talk about what I had to throw out in my beauty trash. So let's begin without wasting any time. I hope you enjoy this. The first product that I finished using up is the Ultra Gentle Daily Cleanser from Neutrogena. I really love this. It worked really well. It's great to help me remove the makeup and the dirt at the end of the day. This is when I normally use it. So that's done. I love it. I will repurchase it. I have repurchased it. I buy a couple hair care products. Kerastase is one of my favorite name brands. And this is their Exfoliator Ultim, if I'm pronouncing properly, hair oil. It's silicone. I put it on the ends and I really love it. I ran out and I was literally at the bottom trying to pour out as much as I could. And then, as you already seen in another video where I bought the Sephora Spring Sale event, I bought a smaller bottle because this lasts a long time. Even though it's stored in glass, I think this is just enough for the ends. Okay, another Kerastase brand. I used up the shampoo, and it's the purple shampoo. I really love this, and I don't know. I don't think I'm going to be buying another bottle. If I do, it'd probably be used like once every 2 months. I'm thinking of going back to my natural hair color. So we'll see what happens with this. I heard that if you have some highlights, it's great for that part of it. So we'll see. I still have a little bit left of the conditioner I need to use up, but this is done. This lasted me almost a year now. I can't remember, but I remember showing this at the beginning of starting my YouTube channel. So it's a great product. And I find it doesn't dry out your hair as quickly compared to other brands. So I don't know if you watched my video about the Olay shower wash. I used up the cleansing and brightening version, the vitamin C, and I'll tell you right now, it doesn't do any brightening on your skin. So it's just very creamy and it doesn't suds up very much. But if you use one of those cloth scrubs, then it does suds up quite good on that. So would I repurchase this? I would repurchase it to wash myself. I know it's not good to use this every day because of the scent. And I wanted to mention something else. Remember the video I said this is what it looks like inside? Wrong. It's color white. It's all white. You can't really tell on the inside. It's really empty, but it's not that grayish color, green color at the bottom as I thought. It was probably part of the plastic packaging. Very scented. It's a nice, maybe a perfumey scent to use, and that's it, nothing else. Okay, so another shower wash my husband used up. This is from Old Spice, Bare Clove, and he used it up. He likes it, and it's all done and used up. Another product that I don't think I showed on my YouTube channel, I can't remember, is the hair mask. It's all done, needs to go. So great, fantastic product, better for, I think, brittle hair. So I really enjoyed this mask. This brand is an excellent brand to have in your hair care routine. Okay, what I have on my lips is what I'm using up the last of is the Charlotte Tilbury Bitch Perfect. It was a gift from my husband. I really enjoyed it. It's on my lips with my lip pencil in the shade Bronzelle. Excellent lipstick color. Very neutral, very bland, nothing very special about it. In my opinion, maybe it looks a little bit too orange or warm tone. So I would rate this as very neutral and medium. And would I repurchase it? Yes, because of the texture and the way it covers your lips. But I'm not too sure if I'd want to get another shade of Bitch Perfect. So I don't know what I'll get next. But during COVID time, always have to wear a mask. So yeah. I'm gonna have to see about that. I had a sample that I got from Sephora shipment, Brigio, and it's Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I spoke about this one once before last year because it was part of my Sephora birthday gift, and I really loved it, and I even like that shampoo, the charcoal shampoo. So I got another sample of this and I enjoyed it a lot. Okay, Laura Mercier talked about it last year, the Caviar Mascara. It was quite some time ago, but I used it up. This is what it looks like. I think it clumped my lashes a little bit. So did I like it? I did enjoy it. I don't think it's great to wear this with false lashes. It does a little bit more of a thicker coating, and sometimes the mascara product clumps up the brushes, so when you brush it on, it doesn't look too good. It's kind of like in between. Sometimes when it's brand new and the brush is clean, the bristles, then it goes on really nicely. But when it gets thicker, it just clumps up your lashes, so I don't like it. Okay, so another mascara. I'm really loving this from Lancome Idol. It is fantastic. I've had it for, I think, 2 months, and now there's a scent to it, but I cannot believe this brush. It's the way you can apply this on, especially the inner corner, and it doesn't become a big mess. Great for hooded eyes. I really love this, and I will be repurchasing this. Now, I used up the Lancome Art Liner. I really love this product. I've been using this for years. It's really good if you're new to doing liquid liner and applying it on. I found it really good. Ran out and I did not repurchase it, but it is something that I would normally buy on a regular basis. I want to try some other brands right now. Okay, I had a sample when I had a large container of the shower oil from L'Occitane. It's the Almond Shower Oil. This is really nice. I like to use this in the winter time. It does have a scent, so Dr. Dre would not approve this. But it is very beautiful. I even like to use it to shave my legs. They're very nice, and this is great for the winter season when the air is more dry and the heat and that kind of thing. I highly recommend it. I talked about this briefly in another video, and I've used some of these. I still have some left, and I think I'm gonna keep it in the fridge. Just in case my eye area gets a little bit puffy, which it does during allergy season. I didn't give a great review because you know when you use an eye mask and you take it off and you notice it looks really good in that area. This didn't do anything magical for me. So I wouldn't waste your money on this, and I know that Shiseido is a little bit more money, but it actually works. And it's a mask that's only on for 10, 15, 20 minutes. It works. Where this one, I didn't see anything. Okay, I used up the rest of this conditioner when I bleached my hair. I think I have another tube to use up, and I will use it up. I really like this conditioner. It really softens up my hair. Okay, this is a product that I really love, and I made another purchase. I haven't opened it up yet. It's from Surratt, and I'm desperately trying to remember the shade name. And it's called Cendress. And I don't have anything to show you to give you a swatch. It's like a silvery taupe shade, and then the eyeliner is a taupey shade. And when you have hooded eyes and you want more of a well-polished look without it looking too heavy on the eye area, this is really beautiful. And I love this product. Highly recommend it. Yes, it's super expensive, but you really have to buy one of these just to give it a try. I think it's worth your money. The false lashes, I used up a set of Demi Wispies from Ardell, and I do love them. And sometimes you're lucky, you can reuse a set several times. Sometimes you're lucky to use it for a couple of months, and then another one you put on, you can only use it once because you ruined it. So Yeah, it's one of those things, but thank goodness it's not that very costly depending where you buy it. So I highly recommend these false lashes, especially if you're a beginner. I think I mentioned this in another video and I don't know where the box is, but I got a large sample from Sephora using up your points. Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. I used all of it up. I think there was about 4 or 5 in a set. It's an exfoliant smooth product, and then this one is anti-aging neutralizer. To be honest, this wasn't strong enough. I'm breaking out right now, and I used the last one over my breakouts, and it's Sting, which is fine. But I didn't even really need this, the step 2 part at all, because, you know, I use medical grades, Zeo Skin Health. It's an amazing product and it makes your skin a little bit stronger. It's fantastic, so I'm very happy with that brand. Something like this is too weak. Okay, I got a little sample from Boutique Skin Envy, and the name brand is called Intraceuticals. And it's called Protect Moisture Binder Cream. When I got it, it was broken, so I couldn't pump out the product, and I was unable to screw it in. I figured out why. There was no pump, like extension, so I could get the product out. It was very difficult to get this out. Even though it's in lotion form, you had to shake it out really good to give it a try. It was a very light lotion and that was it. I didn't see any difference. But then if this is a medical grade product, maybe it takes a few months before you notice a difference. And I'm not exactly sure what this is supposed to do. And that's it. That's my beauty trash for the month of April, and I hope you enjoyed this. Take care, and I'll see you very soon because I'm going to film another video, and it's to talk about all my new purchases. Take care. Bye.